Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone screen turns black during calls. So guys, expressing a black screen during phone calls on your iPhone can be frustrating, but there are several potential solutions to solve this issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is check the proximity sensor. The proximity sensor on your iPhone is responsible for detecting when your face is close to the screen during a call to turn off the display. Make sure there is nothing blocking this sensor, such as a screen protector or a case. After this, then you have to do is clean that sensor. Sometimes dirt or debris on the proximity sensor can cause issues. Gently clean the area around the front camera with a soft lint cloth. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve software glitches. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. New updates often include bug fixes and improvements. So you have to go to your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to its latest version. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then there may be a screen protector or case issue. So what you do is remove screen protector or case. If you are using a screen protector or a case that covers the proximity sensor, it may interfere with its functionality. Try removing the screen protector or case to see if the issue persists. If this still doesn't work and if the problem continues, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. So you have to go to your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset. Tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.